नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जेवियन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम जयोति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session we are going about discuss the topic knowledge and wisdom. And so let's start the topic. What is the knowledge? Knowledge and knowing or understanding and something, and especially about a particular subject, and having answerness of facts and or truths, some things that can be known, and informations. And definition of wisdom: the state of being and wise, the ability to use knowledge and or experience and intelligence, and capable of determine and what is the wise and what is the unwise. A saying and philosophy or other advice that is considered wise. Now, so let's start the graphic map of knowledge management. What is still and probably the best graphic to try to set forth on what continues on the CAM is the graphic and developed by IBM for the use of their own CAM consultants, and it is based upon the distinctions and between the collecting and staff and the connecting and people, and the presentations here and includes some and mirror and the modification, but the connecting C and E and H and minor yes are initially directly on the IBMS. And now let's discuss the defected and informations knowledge. Search the database and external and internal and content architectures and information service and supports the training required. Data meaning best practice and lessons and learned and after action analysis. Now, community and learning and directories and yellow pages and finding and facilities tools and group where and response terms. Now, borrowings: the culture supports and current awareness and profits and database, the selections of items for altering and the purpose and push data mean and best practice. Now, culture supports the spaces and libraries and languages. The culture supports and grow where on the travel and meeting attendance. Now, the knowledge and difference between the knowledge and wisdom. The first one is the meaning of knowledge. Knowledge is the information of which and some is aware, and the knowledge is also used to mean the comfort and understanding of a subject, and the potentially and with the ability to use it for a specific purpose. So, meaning of wisdom. Wisdom is the ability to make correct judgments and decisions, and it is an integral and quality gained and through our an experience in life. Now, time, knowledge of time of knowledge allows for change in response to new information to analysis and seeks to always improve. Now, wisdom. Timeless. Wisdom is who we are, wisdom, and what we do, and wisdom governs and choice and pursuit of knowledge, that communications and relationship. Now, knowledge, sources of knowledge, the learning, educations and science and reflections and reason and logical thought, the source of wisdom. Self, institutions, our personal experience and wisdom, and defines and refines our characteristics and characters is simply and who we are and is they knowledge persons and identify of everything we do. So now let us start discuss the initial and requirements for successful implementation of TQM. The commitment. The quality improvement must be every nose and job in the organizations, and appropriate on the committee on from the top management, breaking down the barriers for continuous and quickly improvement, and steps and requires to provide an environment for changing attitudes and must be provided, and the training supports for this should be extended. Now, culture. There should be proper training and to effect the change in attitude and cultures. The continuous improvement, and recognize an improvement as a continuous and process, and the not and mainly one of program. The next, customer focus. The perfection is services and with zero defects and full satisfactions to the end and user, whether it's initial or external. Control. The ensure and monitoring and control checks for any deviations from the integrated on the course of implementations. The first one is plan, and second do and check and act. The first one is the planning phase. Planning phase, this phase is the most and phase of the TQM, total quantity management. Under this the phase, and the employees have to come and up with their respective inquiries and the problems which need to be addressed. The employees appraise the management of different and challenges on which they are facing in their day-to-day operations, and also analyze the root and cause of the problem. Now, they need to do the required and the research and collect significant data and which would help and them find solutions to all the problems. Now, discuss the doing phase. In this phase, solutions for the identified and the problems in the planning phase is developed, and by the employees strategies are devised and implemented and to crack down the challenges faced by employees. The efficiency and effectiveness of solutions and statistics are also equivalent in this stage. Now, discuss the checking phase. Under this phase, a comparison analysis of before and after is done in order to assess the effectiveness of the process and measure the results. Now, discuss acting phase. This is the last phase of the circle, and in this phase, and the employees document and their results and prepare themselves to addresses. Oh. Thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in problem solving. Thank you.